reflection and the refraction from 10th standard CBSE book. This is part 1 of this unit. In this unit, I am going to cover reflection of light, laws of reflection, spherical mirrors, types of spherical mirrors, and important terms about spherical mirrors. Let's go into the topic. Light, reflection and refraction. Students, do you know what makes things visible? An object reflects light that falls on it. This reflected light, when received by our eyes, enables us to see things. There are wonderful phenomena associated with light, such as image formation by mirrors, twinkling of stars, the beautiful colors of rainbow, bending of light by a medium, and so on. I hope we all know that there are two properties of light. One is wave and another one is particle nature. The wave and particle nature of light. Light has a tendency to bend around the opaque object and it doesn't walk in a straight line. This effect is known as diffraction of light. To explain the diffraction phenomenon, light is thought of as a wave, which is known wave theory of light. But the wave theory is inadequate for treatment of the interaction of light with matter, and light often behaves like a stream of particles. This confusion about whether the light is wave or particle continued for some years till a modern quantum theory of light emerged, in which light is neither a wave nor a particle. This new theory reconciles the particle properties of light with the wave nature. In this chapter, we are going to study phenomena of reflection and refraction of light using the straight line propagation. Reflection of light. If the surface is smooth and shiny like glass, water or polished metal, then the light will reflect at the same angle as it hit the surface. Laws of reflection. The angle of incident is equal to the angle of reflection, and the incident ray, the normal to the mirror at the point of incidence, and the reflected ray all lie in the same plane. Look at this picture. In this picture, this is a point where the light hit and this is a point where the light get reflected. So, the angle of incidence is obviously equal to the angle of reflection. And the normal which is drawn from the angle of incidence, the point where the light hit. So, here theta is angle of incidence and theta r is angle of reflection. These laws of reflection are applicable to the all types of reflective surface. Properties of image formed by the plane mirror. Image formed by a plane mirror is always virtual and erect. The size of the image is equal to that of the object. The image formed is as far behind the mirror as the object is in front of it. So how long in front of the mirror or object irukko, based on that the image oda distance from the mirror, image oda distance namakku appear agum, same distance la namakku appear agum. Spherical mirrors. The curved mirrors whose reflecting surfaces are spherical are called spherical mirrors. So we all know that the plane mirrors, here spherical mirrors, curved shape la reflect agra எல்லா objectsமே spherical mirrors தான். Even நம்ம spoon கூட ஒரு spoon can also act as a spherical mirror. The reflecting surface of a spherical mirror may be curved inwards or outwards. So வந்து reflecting surface வந்து inward இருக்கா outward இருக்கா அதை பேஸ் பண்ணி தான் வந்து we can classify the spherical mirrors into concave mirror and convex mirror. What is concave mirror? A spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is curved inwards, that is faces towards the center of the sphere, is called concave mirror. Just imagine this as a sphere. If this is a sphere, then this is the center of the sphere. So in this case, the reflecting surface of the mirror is curved inwards towards the center of the mirror. So this mirror is called as concave mirror. In the case of convex mirror, just imagine this as a sphere. If this is a sphere, then this will be a center of the sphere. If this will be a center of the sphere, then in this case the reflected surface of the spherical mirror is curved outwards towards the center of the sphere. So this type of mirrors are called as concave mirror. A spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is curved outwards is called convex mirror. Important terms need to be recognized about spherical mirrors. One is pole and center of curvature of the spherical mirror, radius of curvature of the spherical mirror, and principal axis. What is pole? The center of the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror is a point called the pole. See, this is reflecting surface and this is the center of the reflecting surface, and this point is called pole. Usually this point is represented by the letter capital P. Center of curvature of the spherical mirror. The reflecting surface of a spherical mirror forms a part of a sphere. See, if this is a reflecting surface of a spherical mirror, this is a reflecting surface of a spherical mirror. If this reflecting surface forms a sphere, see, I am poor in drawing. If this reflected surface forms a sphere, then this is the center of this sphere. So this point, so this sphere has a center, and this point is called the center of curvature of a spherical mirror. This is a mirror whose reflecting surface curved towards inward, which means concave lens. So this reflecting surface forms a sphere. The sphere has a center, and this center is called as center of curvature of the spherical mirror. This center of curvature usually represented by a letter C. The center of curvature is not a part of a mirror as it lies outside of the mirror, and it lies outside of the mirror. Radius of the sphere. The radius of the sphere is which the reflecting surface of the spherical mirror forms a chord is called the radius of curvature of the mirror. It is represented by the letter R. See, the radius of the sphere is nothing but it is the distance between the pole of the reflected surface and the center of curvature. If we draw a line between the pole and center of curvature, and the distance PC is called radius of the spherical mirror. The next term is principal axis. Imagine a straight line passing through the pole and the C, which is the center of curvature of the sphere. This line is called principal axis. This is a spherical mirror, and this is a point pole, and this is a center of curvature. If we imagine a line or draw a line through this pole and the C, then the line is called principal axis.